Alvin current feeling towards Mercy. Alvin thinks that he's not seeing hope in the relation because he's not able to come towards her. Kuch aisa है. He's not, Alvin is not able to come towards you. He's not seeing hope in the relation, and otherwise he wants to give you judgment. He wants to marry you. He's passionate for you, but he's not able to come towards you. Maybe there are fights going on in his mind. He sees a future with you and considers you as a wish fulfillment, but on the other side he's not able to come towards you, and he says he's thinking the relation is going to end slowly and slowly. He's not having hope. Maybe he's not having hope, but he loves you.